Have you been wondering how to use white grapefruit essential oil? Well, in this video, I'm going to give you some of my favorite tips on how to use it, along with the differences between white grapefruit essential oil and pink grapefruit essential oil. Hi, I'm Lori Funderburk, an essential oil user and educator. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can be notified every time I upload a brand new video. I'm excited to give you the chance to grab my free Essential Oils Made Easy guide. All you got to do is click the description below to find that link and to subscribe. So let's talk about white grapefruit. If you try to add this to your doTERRA shopping list, you won't find it. It only comes out occasionally and has been a free product of the month oil, and it's also shown up in a BOGO or two. But you may have it in your oil collection, and I want to make sure that you know how to use it. It's relatively a newer citrus fruit. It was discovered in Barbados in 1750 and is a hybrid between the Jamaican sweet orange and the Indonesian pomelo. White grapefruit essential oil actually gets its name from the color of the rind. It has a lighter rind than pink grapefruit, but these two share very similar chemistries. Pink grapefruit tends to have a sweeter scent and even tastes sweeter, while white grapefruit tends to be a little more bitter. White grapefruit essential oil is high in limonene and great for cleansing and uplifting. You can use it in the diffuser to bring the energy up in any room. It's also great for the skin, so it's an ideal essential oil to incorporate into your evening routine. I love to put a drop into my shampoo or even my toothpaste for those cleansing benefits that we're talking about. I also like to take a drop of white grapefruit into my hands, rub it together, and rub it through my hair. It's very cleansing for your hair. Now, before I give you any more tips, I just want to give you a caution. White grapefruit essential oil has a possible skin sensitivity. You want to avoid sunlight and UV rays for at least 12 hours after applying this product topically. You don't want to apply it and then go lay out in the sun afterwards. The next way I love to use white grapefruit essential oil is to simply put a drop in my hand, rub my palms together, cup my hands over my mouth and nose, and breathe in. It's very uplifting and can often replace that afternoon coffee I think I need. You can also add 1 to 3 drops into your water or your lemonade or your tea for a twist in flavor and digestive benefits. White grapefruit essential oil can be used topically, aromatically, and internally. It's just one more way for you to take control of your family's health naturally. Make sure you check out some of my other videos. If you're looking for essential oil education, you're definitely in the right spot. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.